this is Tyler. I'm your handyman for the average man. Today's video is going to be showing you how to use a light clip to hook up lights around your house. Today I'm going to be showing you icicles. So we're going to go along this front gutter here. So let's get to it. Alright, so here I am. These are the lights I'll be hanging up, these icicle lights. Pretty cool once you see them light up at the end of the video. Stay tuned for that. I've never seen Christmas lights or icicles like these ones, so you'll be sure to want to watch to the end to see those. The cool thing about these light clips is they're multifunctional. So what do I mean by that? You can either hang them on the the shingle like that. You can hang them on the shingle like that. Or you flip them around like this and you stick them in the gutter like that. And so now this is how I'll be doing it, clipping the string right in there, okay? So there's our first clip. And again, for the roof, the shingles, you slide it right in there. For the gutters, you turn it around and put it right in there. So we're going to go about a foot apart each one of these clips. Just to kind of show you how that works, how that looks. Something like that. All right. Okay, so now that we got a 5-foot section, I'm going to go ahead and get the lights in. Now we're simply going to slide the light in the hook. And again, it's easier when you're using both hands. Just a second here. Okay, so once you get going, it's easier. Again, I'm doing this one-handed, but also you won't have so much weight of all the lights down below. Alright, so I need to show you guys an important detail. Alright, so I accidentally placed them the wrong direction. So I want to show you. This is the direction I was doing, like that. And you kind of look, that's not very sturdy. It needs to be like this. So I'll show you. So the gutter, see how it has this little flare? That's what goes right here. Okay, see that rests right there. So the lights just clip in right there. And then right here. So that's going to be more sturdy against the gutter than this way. So I'm going to go ahead and fix all that. But for now, for the sake of the video, I'm going to keep going while it's light out.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own.
Alright, so sun is setting. Actually, it has set and it's very dark. You can't see anything. So I'm going to turn on these Christmas lights that I already had set up here, just to give us a little bit of light. And then for the grand finale, we will put on these icicles. So just a second here. Okay. So there you go. This is what I had already set up here. Not much, it's just a start. But it gives us some light. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this here. I'll show you this last little bit. Okay, I found the light on my camera, so here we go. We're on the last little bit. I got this one here, this last one right there, and we're about got like a foot extra, so I'm going to might as well just wrap it around. I'm gonna do one more clip on this back side and then I'll be done. All right, the moment of truth. I have my splitter here and we're gonna plug in the other lights. Ah, look at that. That is pretty cool. Let's check it out. Looks good. Cool thing is, it has like 7 different modes. So you got that. This one dims to full brightness and then dims off. Then you got this one if you want to be the party house. And that one's kind of boring. Looks like it's a dimmer. And then if you want to have a rave, this is the house to be at. Pretty cool if you're into that. And then we have solid. So that was pretty cool. We'll leave it there for now. But I will have to say, we are the best looking house with the Christmas lights on the street. No one else has them. Well, the neighbor there has them, but he has them off. But I'll still show you that ours are better. Alright, so there's our house. Looks pretty sweet. And there's the neighbor's house. Pretty cool, you know. Has a little bit of color. Mostly white. Got a Santa Claus. And it's supposed to be a reindeer. Not sure where that went. But yeah. Ours is definitely the better house. I'm secretively doing a Christmas light competition with him. And he doesn't even know it yet. But, you know, hopefully I can add some more. Get this place hopping. Hope y'all enjoyed this. So there you go. Hope y'all enjoyed how to put on light clips. How to hang up Icicle Christmas lights. Makes a big difference on the house, of course. And, yeah. I'm a handyman for the average man. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. Bye.